Hey everybody, currently J5 Media chilling right there. Motor City Outlaws doing something on his phone. Miko Polo, whatever he wants to call himself over there, along with Ashley. I don't know where their Instagram is, but we are currently here. John's trying to fly something.
It is really cold.
Is it cold?
I can't feel my hands.
I can.
Ooh, can you just... It's so warm.
It's so warm. So we have the Iris here, by the way. Icarus, him too.
Yeah.
I've been told this makes pancakes.
Ooh.
What?
Yeah.
I have to install new firmware, so stand
Wait,
by. I'm hoping this doesn't take like 2 years to do.
John,
so.
can I just mention something?
What up?
Can I tell you how much I hate the fact that you haven't taken the plastic off right here?
I like...
Do you see how annoying that looks?
It's called preservation.
Okay, whatever you want to call it, dude. There's horses.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Let her rip!
It's high noon.